Hi, this is Dr.B.Vijayakumar, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we discuss the overview of laser. So today we discuss the overview of laser. Right? Laser is a very important tool used in many applications oriented in medical and industrial side. Right? So I give an overview of the laser. So this is the action of laser and types of laser. So the action of laser is to explain the action of laser to form ground state to existed state. Ground is we form in top and existed here. It's good with forming metastatic state. So the atom transition in ground to existed state, the absorbing of the photons. So this ray becomes a photon to emitted in an interaction of the atoms. Right? So it's a form of the two types of emission in existed state to ground state. One is in a spontaneous emission and the other one is in a stimulated emission. So we need a stimulated emission in the form of laser action. So the laser action is based on the stimulated emission and the stimulated absorption. So the stimulated absorption is formed, the stimulated emission is the next one is formed. Right? Then these are the types of lasers. One is a ruby laser. This is an example of solid state laser. Right? So this is a block diagram of ruby laser, and we used in three requirements to the form of any types of laser. One is an active medium, and second one is a pumping source, and third one is a reflectors. So this three is a very important requirement of any types of laser system. So first we discuss the ruby laser. Ruby is in a solid state rod. So the rod is exposed from the light in the form of optical pumping method by the xenon flash tubes. Right? So the two sides is formed in that the reflector. One is 100%, another one is a partially reflector. Right? The partially reflector to return into the same medium exposed in high energetic way of outside. That is a radiation way of laser. Next one is this is a semiconductor laser. This is also special types of solid state. Semiconductor, we know that is a partially conduct the electricity to the form of applying any properties must be changed in the materials. Right? So the gallium arsenide is an example of semiconductor laser. So this is a homo junction layer. The homo junction means only one junction is formed in P and N layer. We know that the one term is PN junction diode that we call here from is homo junction laser. Right? So the gallium arsenide in between, so very thin region is formed here. That is an intensive region. Right? That region is formed only micro level thickness. So the area to be exposed from the radiation. Right? So this two is the two types of laser. Then this is the energy level diagram. How the atom must be transferred in the existed level, then it will be transmitted in a ground level to the form of different energy wise and different wavelength wise. Right? So this is metal to ground, expose the radiation, that is a laser. So this is another types of laser, is a gas laser. One is the carbon dioxide and another one is the helium laser. These are both is in a 4-level energy system laser. Right? Pumping method is different and the reflector also to be different. Right? These two is in the energy level. First one we discussed carbon dioxide laser. The inside of quartz tube we fill in a mixture of gases, CO2, nitrogen and helium. So the mixture of these gases we fill in this tube is active medium. And the both side is formed that NaCl produced of Europe. Then outside is formed two concave mirrors. So one is active 100% and another one is in a partially. The partially side laser beam is set. Right? This is the energy level diagram. Right? Initially the nitrogen to be in existed state. Then nitrogen atom to interact in a CO2 of ground. Then the CO2 increase from existed. Then it starts from an emission mode. Then finally we get the two types of wavelength. One is in 9.6 micrometer and another one is in 10.6 micrometer. Right? Then helium neon, compare CO2, this is a range is lower, right? So here we get that the same types of converter, the 6328 Armstrong we get from this output from this laser, right? So this is the one of the lower range compare of gas laser. So the next one, the application of these types of laser is very important, right? The most of skin surgery, right? Cataract surgery, right? Then the cutting of bones, then the industrial purpose of drilling, soldering, welding, and cutting, right? Is all to form these types of lasers.
What kind of laser is used in the anti-gas technology and the ones we get in the festival and the shop support?
Cutting of?
Cutting is in surgery we used to cut with the laser.
Yes.
What kind of laser is used to cut this?
We used in the NDR lasers, right? The NDR laser most of used for medical purpose, right? For example, endoscopy, right? Cutting of bones, right? The high range of it forming to make a hole from the heart vessels, right? But that laser we apply directly in our human bodies, the parts will be different. So we use it only for the lower range of power we accepted in our human bodies, right? Any other